Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Monopsony labor markets can be tricky to visualize, but we will master this profit-maximizing logic quickly. Let us find the right relationship for hiring labor. A profit-maximizing monosonist hires labor where the marginal revenue product equals the marginal factor cost. This specific point determines the quantity of workers the firm will actually hire for the job. Since the monopsonist faces an upward-sloping labor supply curve, the marginal factor cost is always higher than the market wage. This gap is essential for understanding how these firms operate daily. Therefore, at the equilibrium quantity, the marginal revenue product must be greater than the market wage. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid the rush. Trust given data and check your steps.